welcome to my channel. I'm Jennifer. Tonight I'm going to show you how to make orange creamsicle cheesecake. Now if you're a cheesecake lover, you'll love this. It's a different variation than your normal cheesecake. This is something you probably won't find many places. So let me tell you the ingredients. I have a pre-made graham cracker crust. Of course, this is better if you make your own, but anybody that knows me and you've been to my channel before, welcome back. If you're new, welcome. I do as many shortcuts as I can. I've got granulated sugar. There's 1 cup. I've already pre-measured it out. You need confectioner's or powdered sugar. You need a ½ cup. You need 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese that are room temperature. They've been sitting out for quite a while. You need 1 package of 3-ounce size of orange gelatin. You need 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. That one's been opened, as you see, and that normally comes in 2 cups, so I had to get another one to make sure I have enough. A little bit of vanilla flavoring. You need orange zest, which I've already zested. You need an orange for garnish. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything set up. Like I said, welcome to my channel. I upload 2 videos a week. I always include inspirational quote and tell a controversial joke. And I have a pot of water boiling behind me because you need 3 bowls to get this made. That's the unfortunate part about it. And unfortunately, I don't have a different change of spinners or spindles, whatever those things are called on the mixer. If you guys know what they're called, please let me know. I need to go ahead and order another set because in between shots, I'm going to have to put you guys on pause and clean this. So let me put you guys on pause and get everything set up. Let's get cooking. Okay everyone, I've got the orange gelatin in a bowl and you need 1 cup of boiling water. So I have that here. I'm going to mix this in. And I'm doing this first because it needs to slightly cool before you combine everything. And I think I forgot to mention, this is a no-bake cheesecake. During the summer months, I like to try and give you guys some options as far as desserts that don't require cutting on the oven if you like to impress your guests or just have something different that they've never had. And I shouldn't have probably put this in a metal bowl because it's going to hold heat a little longer. So got this all whisked together until it's completely dissolved. So I'm going to set that aside. And then now I'm going to start with the cream cheese. And the cream cheese you have to whip that together, add it with a cup of white granulated sugar. So I'm going to get this started until it's smooth and creamy. I'm going to scrape down the sides with my spatula to make sure this is all well incorporated. And this really takes only about 20 minutes once you get the hang of this and get this all mixed together. The hard part is waiting for it to chill in the refrigerator. I guess minimum time would be 4 hours, but I'm going to go 24 overnight. And that's pretty well mixed together. And I apologize, I meant to do the whipped cream first because I could go from the whipped cream right into this, but you don't want to put this in the whipped cream, so I'm going to put you guys back on pause, clean these, and then show you the next step. Okay everyone, and in this bowl I'm going to add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. And like I said, this normally comes in a 2-cup container, but I've already used some of it out of this, so that's why I have another one. Whoops. Give you something different to eat. I love cheesecake. The only way I won't eat it is if it has raspberry sauce on it. I do not like raspberries in any shape, form, or fashion. And tell you the truth, you laugh, I despise orange juice. any kind of way. I won't even eat the orange that I have there. What's left of it I will throw away unless my husband wants it. He's an orange juice drinker, eater, that's his thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this whipped. You want these into soft peaks. This technically only takes 20 minutes. The hard part is this part right here. Whipping this on high. Making a mess. You see it splattering everywhere. Stop it here, and I'm going to add the half a cup of confectioner's or powdered sugar in here, and just a little bit of I'm using pure vanilla. I'm not using the paste this time as I normally do. I'm just going to put a splash in there like that and continue mixing this till I get the soft peaks I'm looking for. Check and see if I have peaks, and I do. And remember, when you're using whipping cream, you do not want to go too far and turn this into butter. So with this, you're supposed to mix half of this. Now I don't know how many cups this is. I would guess it's a half a cup. I should probably use a half a cup measuring just to make sure, because you want to mix half of this into this mixture. Zest. Mix this together. You put the whole orange mixture in here. Okay, let me put you guys on pause and clean up. I see some of it's gotten on my camera. I'll be right back. Okay, so you want to add half of this into this. So I'm approximating what half is. It's the beauty of my cooking. You don't have to be precise. I'm going to go ahead and mix this together. Okay, now we're all set to start layering the pie together. Scrape this down. Make sure this is all mixed. Got my pie shell here. So, and on this layer, you want to start with the cream cheese layer. So that's this layer here. I'm gonna put some of that in the bottom. You're supposed to get 3 layers. You probably would if you made your own crust, but I'm using a store-bought 9-inch. So it may be a little tight. It may run over, but that's okay. I don't have to use it all. Then you want to add some of this to it. This layer on top. It gives you, whoa, it's running over big time. It's okay. 3 layers. It's gonna be ugly, but it's gonna be good. You're gonna have to trust me on this one. It's running all over my counter. So yeah, I would definitely suggest using a spring form, make your own crust type of situation. So there it is. I'm gonna put you guys on pause and clean this up. I'll be right back. Okay everyone, there it is. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the refrigerator. Like I said, it said it can go 4 hours, but I'm gonna go the full probably 18 hours. It is 11:30 at night. And those of you that know me know that I am still working as an ER nurse. I do this as a hobby, and I set aside 5 p.m. on my days off to cook, and I have waited all day till 11, but I wanted to clean my home. So anyway, I'll catch you guys back in about 18 hours, and we'll cut this, and I'll show you how I serve it. Okay guys, there you have it. This is orange creamsicle cheesecake. Hope you guys give this recipe a try. It is delicious. I've already eaten 2 pieces, so let me tell you my joke. It's actually some trivia. It takes 7 seconds for food to pass from mouth to stomach. A human hair can hold 3 kilograms. The length of a penis is 3 times the length of the thumb. The femur is as hard as concrete. A woman's heart beats faster than a man's. Women blink 2 times as much as men. We use 300 muscles just to keep our balance when we stand. A woman has heard this entire trivia. Okay guys, there you have it. Orange creamsicle cheesecake. This is no bake. Please give this recipe a try. It is delicious. And if you like this recipe, please like, subscribe, and share. So here's my joke. It takes 7 seconds for food to pass from mouth to stomach. A human hair can hold 3 kilograms. The length of a penis is 3 times the length of the thumb. The femur is as hard as concrete. A woman's heart beats faster than a man's. Women blink twice as much as men. We use 300 muscles to keep our balance when we stand. A woman has heard this entire message. A man hasn't heard a thing. He's still staring at his thumb. Okay, that's it. There you have it. Thanks for watching, and God bless.